Hello! In this exercise, we will learn how to do the manual area preparation for the street center lines, buildings, and heat source. Let's start with the street center lines. What we're gonna do is to add a new width attribute and set all the features to -1. You will make sure that when the trenches will be created, they will be in the center of the streets. We will also add new attributes, subtype, and a street name. These attributes can be read by the software, and you will see how they can be used and imported later in the rules. Open your QGIS. We'll go to our street center lines. Open attribute table so we can visualize the attributes. Here we're gonna toggle editing mode by clicking this yellow pencil. And we're gonna add a new width attribute. This can be done in two ways. First way is via the new field, and the second way is via the field calculator. Now we're gonna just use the new field, and for the next exercises we can use the field calculator. Please use the capital letters for the attribute names. The type is going to be real. The length you can choose. In this case, 5 should be more than enough. And the precision is the number of characters after the comma. So we can use 1 in this case. That's up to you. Once the attribute is created, we need to populate it. To do this is very simple. You can simply select the attribute here. And in this case, we want all of them to have the same attribute. So we can just click update all. And you will see that now all the features are with the -1 attribute value. Next step, we're gonna add the other attributes. So the subtype attribute will copy the content from the existing type attribute. So that's our type attribute. To do this is also very simple. We create a new attribute, subtype. This attribute, because it's a text, is going to be string, and the length, we can use it 20 for example. So you see that again the attribute's there, but it's still not populated. To populate it is very simple. You can go to subtype here. It's very important that you write it this way, exactly the name of the existing attribute that would like to copy the content. And then again update all. And you will see now that the values are the same. We'll do the same thing for the street name. And I'm gonna copy it from name. and you will see here. Now the exercise also asks you to delete the original ones, so we don't need to have the same attributes 2 times. So to do this is very simple. You go to delete field and you can select the name and type. Okay, then you see that this is our final attribute table. Now we must save our changes. You can click again in the yellow pencil, save, and it is done on the manual works for the street center lines. So this concludes the first part of the manual area preparation. Thanks for watching.